In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal bank account number. We'll use PayPal's own data export tool, which gathers your account details into a single, easy-to-read PDF. It's secure, straightforward, and great for keeping a clean record. Start by opening your web browser and heading to paypal.com. Before you sign in, verify you're on the official site by checking the URL and the lock icon in the address bar. Then sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for the settings gear icon. Click that to open your account settings. In the menu on the left or across the top, find the section labeled Data and Privacy. That's where PayPal stores tools related to your personal information. Scroll until you see Download your data and click it. On the download page, PayPal lets you choose exactly what to include. To keep things focused, select Account Information. This is the portion that contains your PayPal bank account details. If you're prompted to verify your identity, complete the on-screen steps. This extra layer of security protects your information and confirms the request is really from you. Next, choose the file format. Select PDF, which is recommended for easy viewing on any device. PDFs display consistently and make it simple to read important numbers without formatting issues. Submit your request and give PayPal a little time to generate the file. Depending on the size of your account data, it can take a few minutes. You can stay on the page or return later. PayPal will indicate when your download is ready. When the file is available, download it to a safe location on your device and open it. Review the contents and look for the section that lists your PayPal bank account details, including the account number. If the document is lengthy, use your device's search function to find terms like account quickly. The exact labels may vary, but you'll typically see account identifiers grouped with your core profile information. This PDF consolidates your details so everything is in one place. Treat it like any sensitive document. Store it securely, avoid sharing it, and remove any copies you don't need. If labels or menu names look slightly different on your screen, that's okay. Interfaces change over time. The path remains the same. Go to Settings, open Data and Privacy, choose Download your data, select account information, verify if asked, pick PDF, then submit and download. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.